through here? Why not? Let me in here. Thanks for letting me through, guys. That's really sweet.
As this biker filters to the front of the line, keep an eye on the pickup truck to the right. He's clearly not a fan of lane splitting, and you can tell he's not a happy camper today.
What? You got a problem? What's your deal? Dude, it's not a big deal. Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? Yeah, I got somewhere to be. I gotta wash my bike. It's dirty. My bike, look at it. Why are you so mad? Just be happy, bro. Just smile. Be happy. How is that actually gonna happen here? I can see. I have eyes. Oh, call the cops then.
Watching the clip back, even the rider admits it. He was following too close. When one biker brakes due to traffic up ahead, there's just not enough time to react. A quick reminder to always leave space, especially in group rides.
What happened, bro?
I was braking and he locked up his brake in front of me, and then I hit the brakes, but it just my bike just kind of tipped over. We're all good. We're okay. I'm okay, bro. We're good. It's alright. I'm not worried about it at all.
Sorry, dude. Are you okay?
Dude.
Are you okay?
No,
Do you want
man.
me to you want to go to the hospital?
While cruising down the street, this rider's day takes a turn for the worse. Literally. A car, partially hidden by another vehicle, pulls out right in front of him with no time to react.
I have it all on camera, so I filmed it all.
My car's not starting now.
Yeah.
Dude, sorry. Well,
you know, accidents happen,
I'm
man,
glad
but
you're okay, though, honestly.
Yeah, I'm okay. Now that I'm okay, I'm worried about this now.
Yeah.
You know, this is like a really expensive bike, and
my bad, I didn't see you.
do you have full coverage? Will they cover me?
No, I don't. I have
Liability, right?
yeah, just
Okay,
liability.
you'll be okay then, right? Because I mean, that's what I got. I got liability. Okay, so our insurances will cover each other.
Yeah. You want to take a picture real quick?
Yeah, well, it's all on camera too. I'm filming.
Sure. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thankfully, the rider seems to be alright, and it's a good thing both parties are insured. Still, this just goes to show how important it is to anticipate bad decisions from turning drivers. It could save your skin.
Rather than sitting down, because after a while, your arse starts to break and stuff like that. This road is very bumpy.
While riding through Vietnam, this biker's enjoying the scenery, until he hits a loose gravel corner. Just one misread surface and things can go south fast, especially on unfamiliar roads.
I just crashed. Oh God. Maybe I shouldn't stand up, for fuck's sake. I don't know how I'm gonna get this off. Oh, that nearly went very badly wrong. Would have gone straight into a bamboo tree, if that is bamboo. No more standing up for me. I think I'll just deal with the saw.
Two riders are enjoying a night cruise when disaster strikes. A car ahead decides to merge just as one of them is passing, causing an accident. But here's the kicker, the driver has no insurance.
Watch where you're going, bro. You hit my boy, bro. What are you talking about? You got license? You got insurance?
No, sir.
What are you talking about?
No tengo.
What are you talking about?
No sé, güey, no lo vi.
Get the plate.
I already did. I already got your plate. I have your face, bro. You have the license, insurance?
No, carnal, pero pues
I need all that, bro.
After finding out the driver has no insurance, the bikers are somewhat stuck. Now they're debating, do they get the authorities involved or try to settle it with some sort of payout?
It's not gonna move, bro. It's not gonna move.
First?
Yep. Look, you go get money. I'm gonna take a picture of your plate. I won't call the cops.
Okay.
Just come back with a little bit of money and we're good.
Yes,
we're good.
I have it all, everything on camera,
Thank you,
bro.
sir. Thank you,
If you,
No, I'm coming
No
back,
cops.
sir.
No cops.
Cause
no
sir,
cops.
if you run,
Just a little bit of money. Just a little bit of money.
Yes, sir.
I need at least
No, no.
$5,000, bro. You see, this bike is worth $10,000, bro. I just got it out of the shop, man.
Yes, I already told him that I'm coming back.
A few moments later.
Later that night, the biker and driver meet up at the driver's workplace, hoping to settle up and get some compensation for the crash.
It's his paycheck, but
How much is this?
it's 200. I already told him.
Bro, but that's not gonna cover what happens to the bike, bro.
Oh, it's his paycheck, man. I told your friend.
You're gonna get him more money?
I told him that I saw the money I have. Well, what can I do? Yes, I have no money, and it's his paycheck. It's her paycheck, man, and it's all the money we have. I already told your friend it's 200, and I already told her that I'm gonna pay her the money.
And how much can you get? How much can you get him?
This is all the money we have. Sorry, I already told your friend, and 'cause I have no job right now. He's the only one who is working right now. I'm sorry, man.
What else can you give me, bro?
Man. So, but it's her paycheck, man, and I already told your friend that this is all the money I have, man.
You can get me more money?
No, right now.
How much is your watch worth?
No, it's a Rolex, but it's not.
It's not real?
No, it's a copy.
Let me see.
But it's a good copy.
Give it to him. This is nothing. This is gonna go to
Yeah.
the mechanic, bro. I'll give
Yes.
this to the mechanic, bro.
Yes, I know.
This is
Hey,
like.
just give me your number.
What is your number?
281.
You just call me 713.
No, I have no money, man, right now.
That's what bro. Everybody has no money, bro.
Yeah.
But we come up from some shit, bro. You know.
Yeah.
But can you give me at least $2,000 in
No,
a week
no,
to
no,
2
no.
weeks?
No,
A month? At
Not
least enough
2,000.
time. I'll give you time. I don't want to call the
Yeah.
police. I don't want to do the insurance claim because I have everything on video. I don't want to do none of that bullshit
Yeah.
because you're gonna get caught.
I think probably 600 in 2 months, man. It's all like
2 months.
yes. I can give you more, but I have no money.
They try to avoid getting the authorities involved, but it's clear the driver can't cover the cost of the damages. Eventually, the bikers push for more money down the line. But let this be a lesson. If you're out on the road, have insurance and follow the rules, or situations like this are bound to
It's gonna
happen.
come and some shit's gonna happen, but you're not gonna get in trouble. But I have everything on video, so if some shit happens, bro,
Yes.
you got time, bro. You have a month, 2 months, bro.
Thank you, sir.